Good morning students. Today we will discuss question number 4 of exercise 5.1. Question 4 is which of the followings are AP? Yes beta, in this question there are many parts and we have to check ki which one is AP and which one is not AP. If they form an AP, yani which part is AP, then find the common difference in that case and write 3 more term. And next 3 term we have to write in that part which is AP beta. Now solution is, yes beta, first part is 2, 4, 8 and 16. These 4 terms are given. Now we have to check this sequence is AP or not. So how do we check? We will find the D. So first D, A2 minus A1. So 4 minus 2, because here A2 is 4 and A1 is 2. So that is 2. Now again we will find the D, A3 minus A2. So A3 8, A2 is 4. We will get 4. Next third one, A4 minus A3, 16 minus 8, it is 8. Yes beta, you are observing the value of D is different in each case. It means this sequence is not AP. Now second part is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. So first we will find the value of D, A2 minus A1. Here beta A2 is 5 by 2 and A1 is 2. So we will solve 5 by 2 minus 2. We will take LCM and you will get 1 by 2. Another D we will find, A3 minus A2. After solving again you will get 1 by 2. Third one also, A4 minus A3. Then you will get 1 by 2. It means in each case the common difference is same. It means this is AP. If this sequence is AP, in this question we will find next 3 term also beta. Next term beta, fourth term is 7 by 2 and common difference is 1 by 2. So we will add common difference to the fourth term, then you will get 8 by 2. And similarly, if you will add 8 by 2 with 1 by 2, then you will get 4 and next is 5. Next part beta, minus 1.2, next term is minus 3.2, next minus 5.2 and next minus 7.2. Here also you will find D, A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 3.2 minus A1. A1 is also of negative sign. So here it becomes plus beta. After solving you will get minus 2.0 or you can say simple 2. Next A3 minus A2. Here minus 5.2 minus and minus again it become plus. After solving you will get again minus 2.0. Similarly, next D is also minus 2.0. In all cases the value of D is same, so we can say this sequence is AP. Now we will find next 3 term beta. So how to find next 3 term? In last term means fourth term we will add the value of D. So minus 7.2 plus we will add the value of D, that is minus 2.0. It becomes minus 7.2 minus 2.0, it is minus 9.2. Similarly, we will add minus 9.2 plus 2 minus 2, then you will get minus 11.2 and minus 13.2. This is the AP. Next part is minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2. Now again we will check the value of D. So A2 minus A1 you will solve and you will get 4. In second case also you will get 4. Third case also you will get 4. If common difference is same, so then we can say it is AP. And if it is AP, then we can find next 3 terms. So you know very well, if we will add 4 to the last term or you can say 4 term, then you will get next term. So 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10 and 10 plus 4 is 14. This is new AP beta. Next part beta, 3 comma 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2 and 3 plus 3 root 3. Yes beta, don't be afraid to look over the root. So here also we will find the D, A2 minus A1. Here A2 is 3 plus root 2 minus करेंगे A1, that is minus 3. So A3 minus 3 and plus 3 cancel out and you will get root 2. Similarly A3 minus A2, A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. So 3 से 3 again cancel and 2 root 2 minus root 2, it again root 2. Similarly A4 minus A3, again you will get root 2. If common difference is same, then you can say it is AP and you will find next 3 term. What is common difference? Root 2. So you will add last term with root 2. So last 4th term is 3 plus 3 root 2 and plus root 2. It becomes 3 plus 4 root 2. Next 3 plus 5 root 2. Then next is 3 plus 6 root 2 beta. Next part beta 0.2, 0.22, 0.222 and 0.2222. Again we will find D, A2 minus A1, 0.22 minus 0.2, you will get 0.0. You know very well beta how to subtract these decimal terms. A3 minus A2, when you will subtract, then you will get 0.002. It means common difference is different in both the cases and next case also. So it means this is not a AP beta. Next question, 0, minus 4, minus 8 and minus 12. We will find D, A2 minus A1, minus 4, A1 is 0, minus 0, that is minus 4. A3 minus A2, minus 8, then minus, and A2 is also minus 4. Then if you will solve, then it become plus, and you will get minus 4. Third case also you will get minus 4. In all cases common difference is same, then you can say this is a AP. Now here also you can find next 3 term. Last term in this AP is minus 12, you will add minus 4, then you will get minus 16. Again minus 16, you will add with minus 4, then it becomes minus 20. Minus 20 you will add with minus 4, then you will get minus 24. These are 3 next term beta. Yes beta, next part is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Beta, you are observing each term is same. It means here common difference is 0. If you will solve, then you will get 0 and 0, 0. It means it is an AP, and next 3 term also same, because D is 0. So next 3 term also minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Next part is beta 1, 3, 9, 27. You will find D, A2 minus A1, it is 2. A3 minus A2, it is 6. A4 minus A3, it is 18. And all the value of D is different here. So you can say it is not AP beta. In next part, here some variables are written, A, 2A, 3A, 4A. So A2 minus A1 means 2A minus A. You know how to solve this. 2A minus A is A. Next A3 minus A2, so 3A minus 2A again A. In third case also it is A. So common difference is same, then you can say it is AP. Yes beta, you know how to get the next term. In last term 4A you will add D, D is A, so then you will get 5A. And 5A you will add with A, then you will get 6A and 7A. Now 11th part is A square, A cube, A4. Now here also you will find A2 minus A1. So A2 is A square minus A. You know beta, this is A square and this is A. Both are unlike terms. We cannot subtract them. Only we can solve. How we can solve? We will take the common A, then you will get A minus 1. In second part also A3 minus A2. So A cube minus A square. These are also unlike term. So here also we will take common. Common is A square, then you will get A minus 1. In third case also you will solve, then you will take common A3, A minus 1. You are observing beta, in all 3 cases the value of D is different. Only this part is same, but complete term is different. It means this is not beta. Next part is root 2, root 8, root 18 and root 32. You are observing beta, all terms are different, है ना? But here you can solve root 8 in term of root 2. Root 8 can be written 2 root 2 and root 18 can be written 3 root 2 and root 32 can be written 4 root 2. So first we will find D, A2 minus A1. Actually it is A root 8 minus root 2. First we will split root 8, that is 2 root 2 minus root 2. So it becomes root 2. In second part A3 minus A2, root 18 minus root 8. So root 18 is 3 root 2 and root 8 is 2 root 2. Again you will get root 2. Similarly in third case also you will get root 2. It means common difference is same. Then we can say this is a AP. And next term, how we will get next term? Root 32 can be written 4 root 2. If you will add root 2, then it becomes 5 root 2. Means it is 5 root 2. It is 6 root 2. It is 7 root 2. But how you can convert this form into root 50? So outer term you will multiply, or you can say outer term square you will do it and multiply with 2. So 5 square is 25. 25 to the 50. Here 6 square is 36. 36 multiplied 2, it is 72. 7 square is 49 sorry, and multiply 2, it is root 98. So in this way you can solve, or you will get these 3 next terms. Next is root 3, root 6, root 9 and root 12. Here a2 minus a1 you will find, then root 6 minus root 3. But with a root 6 and root 3 both are unlike term. We cannot subtract them. So this is remain as it is. Now a3 minus a2, so root 9 minus root 6, you can write 3 minus root 6. Here also both are unlike term, you cannot solve. In third case also both are unlike, you cannot solve. So all three D are different beta, it means this is not a AP. Next part beta, 1 square, 3 square, 5 square and 7 square. Here also you will find D, A2 minus A1, 3 square minus 1 square. 3 square means 9 and 1 square is 1. You will get 8. A3 minus A2, A3 is 5 square, A2 is 3 square. 25 minus 9, you will get 16. And in third case, you will get 24. All three values of D is different here. It means this is not AP. Last part beta, 1 square, 5 square, 7 square and 73. So here beta A2 minus A1, yani 5 square minus 1, this is 25 minus 1, it is 24. A3 minus A2, 7 square minus 5 square, 49 minus 25, it is again 24. And A4 minus A3, that is 73 minus 7 square, it is 73 minus 49, again it is 24 beta. So in all the cases you will get D is 24. So common difference is same, you can say it is an AP. Now you will find next three term. How to find? In last one means 73, you will add with 24 common difference. 73 plus 24, it is 97. Similarly 97 plus 24 you will get 121. 121 plus 24 it is 145 beta. This is your fourth question, and with this question your exercise 5.1 complete.